Okay, top left is asking us to name the conic, and here I have a 3x squared plus a 5y squared. So this is going to be like a circle, but with these vertical and horizontal compression type factors, this is going to end up being an ellipse. So the answer here is ellipse. In the top right, we have expand 2x minus y to the fourth power. So for that one, I will say 2x to the fourth, 2x cubed, 2x squared, 2x to the first, and then for that part we'll go minus y to the fourth, minus y to the cube, minus y squared, minus y to the first. Notice that all of the exponents add up to 4, because this is corresponding to the 4 there. Plus signs, and then our binomial coefficients, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, either calculated individually or used by the, or found by calculating individually, or the Pascal triangle. Sorry, I lost my mind there for a moment. So that's where I'm getting all of the pieces to here. So now that answer is going to become 16x to the fourth. Here we have a 2 cubed, which is an 8, multiplied by 4, and it's going to be minus 32y x cubed y. Let's see, here we have 2 squared, which is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. We're going to be positive because the y is being squared, and we have an x squared and a y squared. Then here we have a 2 times of 4, so it's going to be a minus 8xy cubed. And finally, tacked on the end there, we have a positive y to the fourth. So that is our expansion of this particular polynomial. Okay, next, find the partial fraction decomposition. So here our denominator is x times x squared minus 4, which is the same as x times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So the partial fraction decomposition is going to be some number over x plus some number over x plus 2 plus some number over x minus 2. And we're going to want that to be equal to x squared plus 12x plus 12 all over x cubed minus 4x. So if we clear the denominators, we'll end up getting a multiplied by x plus 2 times x minus 2. We'll have a bx with an x minus 2, and we'll have a cx with an x plus 2, equaling x squared plus 12x plus 12. Okay, now to get those numbers, to get those a, b's, and c's, I'll replace x with 0. Because that'll turn this part into 0 and this part into 0. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4a equals, placing 0 in here gives 12. So we're getting that a is negative 3. Next, I will replace x with negative 2, because that'll eliminate this part and this part. And with the negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 2 is going to yield 8, so 8b. And over here with negative 2, we're going to get a 4, and then 4 minus 24 would be negative 20, plus 12 would be negative 8. So it appears as though b would be negative 1. Now for the last one, we'll do x equals 2, because that's going to eliminate this part and this part. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so we're getting an 8 with a c. 2 over here would be 4 plus 12 times 2 is 24, so 4 plus 24, and then plus another 12 is going to be a 40 over here, which means that c is going to be 5, and so the partial fraction decomposition would be negative 3 over x plus negative 1 over x plus 2 plus 5 over x minus 2. And our final problem on this page is to solve the system of equations here. Now, we could do substitution or we could do elimination, but if we just observe what's going on, we just want these to all be equal to 0. So the clear solution to this is to let x, y, and z all be 0.